Hi everyone and welcome, and today we're going to do a quick review on MSI AI artist. This is MSI AI artist. As you can see, it's your imagination amped up with MSI AI artist. Yes, you get to generate images directly on your MSI products with MSI AI artist. You can create rich images with shorter prompts and generate words within images. Create and inspire at a whole new level. You can see it's very beautiful. Download and installation. You click here when you want to install it. So we have the MSI AI artist, intuitive, security, privacy protection, performance optimization, real-time usage. It has text to image, image to image, image to text, exclusive tensor RT acceleration, automatic layered PSD for creators, and compatible with open source models and LoRaWAN. For installation, if you want to step into the era of AI with MSI AI Artist, streamlining the user interface and enhancing the generation process, installation takes about 2 hours, requiring a continuous internet connection, with duration varying based on regional network conditions. Below are the hardware prerequisites, so just go through them to see if your hardware, if your your PC hardware has this before you can download it and install it. So it is effortless. Furthermore, there's additional information available on GitHub and you have the choice to download it manually. An AI actor is designed to run with a specific Python version. If your installed Python is not version 3.10, please uninstall it before installing AI Artist to prevent set of issues. The software availability and functionality may vary depending on regional restrictions. So it's introduction of AI Artist, like we said, gallery, beautiful ones. You can see them, really beautiful and popping, and so much more. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try.